Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes. Take out the banking textbook, chapter number 2. So please take out the banking textbook, chapter number 2. Chapter number 2. Read and underline the important sentences and frame questions. Start from the beginning. Don't start from the middle of from the end. Right from the chapter heading, read, understand each and every lines, mark it, and try to frame your own questions. Yes. Start reading. I'll also ask questions. So this chapter is all about relationship between the bank and the customers. Various kinds of relationships. What plays an important role in building relationship?
Trust.
Trust. Trust. It is all based on trust. Everything is done based on trust. Okay. Then the two types of relationship, mainly the relationship that exists between bank and the customer is general relationship and yeah, special relationship. That is very important. The general relationship means the debtor creditor relationship. Now, let me ask you, in the case of deposits, who is the debtor, who is the creditor? Yes, Anish, bank is the
Debtor.
louder.
Debtor.
Bank is the debtor and customer is the creditor. Okay, always remember this deposit, D for deposit, D for debtor. In the case of deposits made with the bank, bank is the debtor, customer is the creditor. Very good. And if it is the loans, then it is just the reverse. Then the special relationship, in each case, try to find out who is the debtor. I mean, what is the position of the bank and what is the role of the customer. If it is the principal and agent, then who is the principal? Who is the agent? Likewise. Yes, Anish, what is troubling you? What happened? Nothing. Okay. Principal and agent. So who is the principal? Customer is the principal and bank is the agent. Now, pledger and pledgee. Who is the pledger? Who becomes the pledgee? And I can give you a hint here. Check all these. All these doubly, pledgee, lessee, bailee will be the bank. See, correct? Bailee is the bank. So all these E's are bank. Lessor and lessee. So the first three heading is related to the relationship that exists between banker and the customer. Then the second topic is regarding the different types of customers. Who are the different type of customers coming to the bank? So don't forget, you have a model exam on accounting on October 5th. Remember all the chapters, okay? All chapters on accounting, and also on 7th, we'll go for a model exam on banking. Has any other teacher given you exam on 7th? No? Yeah. Apo, October 7th, you will have banking, and October 5th is accounting. Yeah, all the chapters.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is it MCQ?
Sorry?
Ma'am,
It is MCQ. Yes. Model exam means exactly like your term exam. But I told you, you will have different category of MCQ. Assertion, reasoning, like that. Not only that formal MCQ type. Anyway, once you get the model exam, you'll understand that question paper. So don't waste this time. Read the textbook very well. And before that, I'll send you a worksheet. Don't worry. I'll give you a model. Before the model exam, again, I'll give you a revision worksheet to familiarize with the questions. Yes, Alan Verghese, are you there? Reached home? Keep the video on. Vishnu, try to keep it on. Minor can open an account with the bank. True or false? Minor can open an account with the bank account. True or false?
True, ma'am.
True, it's true. Right. All the partnership firms in India are regulated by which act? Indian Partnership Act 1932. Very important. In class 12, you will be learning in detail accounting for partnership.
Ma'am,
Yes, Sapna?
can
Yes?
I check your WhatsApp message?
Okay. Yes, what's it? All the companies in India are governed by, regulated by which act? Yes, Alan. Companies Act
2013.
2013. Yes, right. The full forms. Note all the full forms: KYC, HUF, NEFT, RTGS. You will find so many. Don't leave any of the short forms. In case of any trouble, if you are not able to attend that particular day's exam, definitely you will be given a retest. Okay? All of you will attend the exam on that day or for the retest. Because on October 20th, you're going to have your term exam. It is the final exam. So before that, you should definitely get familiarized with the question paper pattern and how to answer it. After all, it is MCQ. There is nothing much to worry about answering, but still the time management, everything is important. So for that, everybody should attend the model exam. Nobody can escape. And there could be like with reasons if you are absent, might be unfortunately network issue or anything. After all, we are all humans. So if any trouble due to any problem, if you are not able to attend, don't worry. Definitely you will be given retest by me. I don't know about others. I'll be giving you a retest. When the banking services are provided to government agencies and other institutional customers, what is that type of banking called? When banking services are provided to government agencies or institutional customers, corporations, etc., then that type of banking is called yes. That is called wholesale banking. Okay, wholesale banking. Retail banking means the banking services provided to the general public. So read the textbook very well. Read it line by line. You have enough time till October 7th. So many days. October 7th, you have banking exam, banking model exam, and October 5th is accountancy. Yeah. Okay. So this recording of transaction analysis will be continuing with accountancy division this hour, next hour. Then 1 and 2 chapters are easy, right? There is nothing much. Already your one round of learning is over. Your periodic test. So you all can score full marks. Full marks. Sure, it's going to be MCQ. There is nothing much to be in trouble. Okay. So let's continue with accounting. Yes. Thank you. We'll continue.